everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Vibrant Disha. So today we are here as we dive into the mesmerizing world of Mr. Doob's Google hack. So if you're not aware or not familiar with who Mr. Doob is, he's a genius developer known for creating mind-blowing web experiments. And guess what? Many of them are hidden within the secret Google chambers. Welcome to the playful side of Google. Ever wondered what would happen if gravity took a little break on your computer screens? Well, get ready for the digital magic. With Google Gravity, the rules change, the buttons float and the text dance. And it's like Google has turned into a wild trampoline party.
Tick, tick, boom. Who bringing the noise? Go baby, we bringing tick, tick, boom. Who bringing the noise? Go baby, we bringing our toys.
So I'm excited to tell you that we are gonna welcome ourselves to the secret fun buried within the Google. Ever wanted to take a break from searching and embarking on a retro gaming adventure? Well, you are in for a treat. So now let's get ready for this treat and have an arcade adventure.
Okay, so for munching the dots, you need to go to Google and search for Google Pac-Man. And once you search, this is how the dashboard looks like. Click and play and then munch the dots with me. Okay, so you can add these
Need to make a simple decision but cannot find a coin?
How you do this stuff? How you do this stuff?
So Google's got your back with a simple coin flip. So let's see the demo.
So go to Google and type flip a coin, and now think of your decisions and toss the coin.
Want to put your drawing skills to a test? So Quick Draw with Google is there to help and find a solution for this problem. So join me as we dive into this fun and interactive game where you can test your artistic skills. Okay, so what you can do is you can go to your Google screen and type Quick Draw with Google. Click in the very first link and then you can just start on next and it will give you some words or verbs जो आपको draw करनी पड़ेगी and then you can test your artistic process, artistic skills and yeah, और अगर आप कहीं पे कुछ नहीं आता है तो you can just click on the next button. Today we have embarked on a thrilling journey into the realm of trying Google hacks. And what an interesting journey was it. So if you really like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And remember, knowledge is power. It's all about using it wisely. Thank you.